Week 32, day 2, a DLR. Let's see what we have here. It says, in 1776, the 13 U.S. colonies decide they did not want to be part of England. I see some capitalization. I see the rule of Y. Who's got the rule of Y for me right now? Who's got it? Eticity, go. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm going to circle colonies. Go ahead. What comes before that Y right there? Yeah, but what is it? What is it, though, eticity? That's a consonant, right? Yeah, so we've got the consonant before the Y, which means we're going to do what with the Y, eticity? Yeah, we're going to add I and then ES, right? There it is. All right, in 1776, the 13 U.S. colonies, I see something. What does U.S. stand for, Brady? What is it? Yeah, it is a proper noun, but what does it stand for? Yeah, but what does it stand for, man? United States. That's right. The United States of America, the one and only. Capitals, right? In 1776, the 13 U.S. colonies decide they did not. Gretchen, help me out here. We need to change decide to decided, right? So, you know what that is? It's actually an E drop. So we're gonna do DECIDE, right? We're gonna drop that E and add the suffix what? ED. There it is. Decided. Oh, what I put an I there for goodness sake? All right, decided. Okay, decided they did not want to be part of England. We got one more thing here, I think. One more thing. Yeah, Harper. Oh, yeah, capitalize the E. I was looking at Harper. I'm sorry. Capitalize the E. That a girl. So we've got the capital E. Why do we capitalize that E, Harper? It is a proper noun, for sure. In 1776, the 13 U.S. colonies decided they did not want to be part of England. I think we're good.
On your sheet, it's colonies.
No, it's not. I'm telling you, there's a lot of stuff that, but
I would have.
I would have. I mean, but we'll just.
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. We have how many wrong do we have here? How many corrections do we have to we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. 4 corrections here. And what is our credo? What is our mantra? Read, edit, write. You got it. All right. Hold up your DLRs. I want to see how the writing part has coming along here. That is a good job, you guys. That is a good job. I'm very proud of everyone. All right, ready? Oh my gosh. Fred, read this. Read it for me, Fred, exactly how it is on the board. Yeah, does that sound right to you, Fred? Could you fix the first part of it for me, just the first part? 5 men. We would never say 5 mans, right? 5 men. 5 men. Would we say righted also, Fred? We wouldn't say righted. What would we say? Wrote. Spell it for me. WROTE. 5 men wrote a letter that is called the Declaration of Independence. Allura. You are absolutely right. It's a very important document, so it is absolutely a proper noun. And do we have, yep, everything's spelled, looks good. So that's a great question. And I'm going to leave this recording and I'm going to answer that question. How much money is the Declaration of Independence worth? I think the better question is, can you put a price on something like that? Someone in the back here, Alexis, said it's priceless. What does it mean for something to be priceless? There's just, it's too important, Fred. You're right. It's priceless. You can't buy it. Alexis, it's right. There's no value. You can't put enough value in the Declaration of Independence. It's such an important thing for all of us. I tell you what, and if you could, it is a it's a little bit wordy, right? The language and there's, but if you could read it, if you go through the Declaration of Independence and understand, and the Bill of Rights for that matter, I guarantee you'd be nodding your head like, yeah, that makes sense to me. I like it, right? It's a very valuable document to anybody who lives here. All right, there you have it. All right, Fred. So what do we have so far? We have 5 men wrote a letter that is called the Declaration of Independence. We have 4 corrections here. Very good. All right, let's take a look now. It says, write the adjectives in the correct order. Dominique, your hand went up really fast. I want you to read the sentence and plug in the correct order as you do it. Go. Yes, 3 important. Now I want you to read it with the wrong one plugged in really loud. Go. Does that at all sound correct? The letter included important 3 statements about the rights of people. Or how about this? The letter included 3 important statements about the rights of people. Very 3, right? Life, liberty, and happiness.
Life, liberty, and the pursuit.
The pursuit of happiness. That's right, because you can't guarantee someone's happiness.
Right.
It's an impossibility, but you can guarantee their pursuit. Allow them to pursue happiness, right? Everyone has the right to pursue it. What a brilliant, man, it is brilliant. Very brilliant. Are you ready? Circle the abstract now. After the letter was signed, the colonies had their own government and their freedom. The abstract noun, right? What noun in there? We know it's a thing. We know it's a thing, but you can't hold it like this cup's a noun, right? Honey ball. And the water inside is a noun because I'm going to drink it. Those are concrete. I can touch them. I can apply my senses to them, right? But there's something in this sentence, right, that is a noun. It's a thing, but you can't touch it, can't feel it, can't pick it up, sniff it, shake it. Annalisa. Freedom. That is the abstract noun, right? It is a thing, right? Freedom's a thing, but it's abstract. You can't touch it. You can't use your senses. All right. Great work, you guys. That's week 32, day 2 in the books. Tadero,